Hi, it's Jessie with Plan with Jessie, and I'm going to unbox the August Happie Scrappie kit. This is the Bearicorn Traveler's Notebook MB6, and this is the cardboard envelope it came in. It says Cuddles in a Package.
Oh, that's cute.
And again, on the back here it says Cuddles in a Package.
Can I please keep this?
Inside, the first thing we have is this little Bearicorn charm. I'm sure you do. It's like an acrylic with a little gold chain on it. It's very cute. And then she also put in here a Muji pen from Japan. I don't know if that is the color of the ink. Let's try it out and see. It says it's a 0.5 tip. Yep, so it's that pretty blue color. Okay. Let's see what else we have in here. So these are some extras. We have a little die cut planner, a little die cut Bearicorn paperclip, some date stickers, some little hexagon stickers, and then a couple sheets of the Bearicorn stickers. And there's a cute little narwhal, and I like the little french fries. Very cute. And this here is the actual B6 inserts. So let's see, on here we have a magnet, bookmark, the little Bearicorn, and it looks like she's planning. And then, let's see, before we open this up, we have some vellum rainbow Bearicorns. With that vellum dashboard, which is very cute. And then we have a little piece of cardstock. And what is this? This is just a paper. So I could make this into a dashboard also if I laminated it. Or maybe do this on half and this on the other half. Okay, so then this is the actual notebook. So again, this is the B6 size. So it's just dot grid pages. It's just dot grid paper with different little Bearicorn images on it. And yeah, that's it. So I'm not sure what I will use this booklet for yet, but I'm sure I will find a good purpose. Maybe just a general notebook, or I don't know, party planning book for someone's birthday or something like that. I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's it. That's just a quick look at the August Happie Scrappie B6 Traveler's Notebook Kit. Thanks for watching. Bye.